Tell everybody what you do.
I'm a researcher and a scientist.
गिल्टी फील होता है कि मैं मेरी नानी के साथ इतना टाइम नहीं स्पेंड कर सकती हूँ. Good morning.
Morning.
Justin, are you drinking a jeera water?
Of course. It's the secret recipe.
Jaswin and I are very different people because like I wake up and then I like थोड़ा chill slow paced. पहले मुझे कॉफ़ी लगती है, उसके बाद ही मैं बातें कर सकती हूँ. Jaswin wakes up with like go energy. कॉफ़ी हो या ना हो कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. Psychopath.
Marry someone who is okay with the way you sleep and okay with the way you wake up. Like they don't have to do it with you, but भाई मूड खराब नहीं होना चाहिए दूसरे का.
They have to do it with you. मतलब how can you not sleep with you? That will be complicated.
I mean, we can basically sleep, but then when I need to get up, I can get up. You can get up at your time. You can sleep at your time. I can sleep at my time.
This is all lies. He's saying all this, but if he wakes up at 4 a.m., he makes so much noise. It's not that he'll wake me up. He just makes so much noise that I by default wake up at 4 a.m. I'm grateful for that. ऐसा नहीं है. I have become a morning person because of you.
It's okay. Don't do this interview shit. Keep it here. It's okay.
No. Okay.
Time, baby. A bunch of onboardings today.
Yes. So many. Busy day. That's why we have to finish gym in the morning.
What the fuck is this guy's problem, bro? Just parked in front of me.
What is the solution to road rage? Be a passenger princess. But I feel I can drive now.
I'm sure you feel that way.
No, beach mein I was a little like I was not wanting to drive. But now I think I can drive again.
Chalo, you drive. Come.
Not right now, in general I'm saying.
Right.
When I go to my mom's house then.
Don't touch my car. Okay?
So you buy me a new car then.
No.
Buy me second-hand car.
That's not the point.
I want like a small car, जैसे Swift types. ऐसे घूम जाए ऑटो के जैसे.
ऑटो ही लेके दे देता हूँ.
नहीं ऑटो नहीं प्लीज, ऑटो में एसी नहीं होता.
That's true.
ठीक है, ये सब बकवास हम कट कर देंगे.
नहीं. सब रहेगा.
नहीं.
सब रहेगा. उस दिन कैमरा गिरा दिया था तूने बाय द वे लिया.
मैंने नहीं गिरा था, गिर गया वो.
What does that mean?
You gave me the wrong handle. It was just like the wrong hand. Well, you didn't give.
Ah yes. A woman's kryptonite. Accountability.
आ गए gym.
Gym time.
So now we'll go.
Goodbye.
चलो.
Get our workout in.
Go.
My husband looks AI generated. You don't look real. But he is not AI generated, guys.
I'm just old.
Princess treatment should not be limited to only driving. If you are married, ladies, that's why mobility is important. If you're recovering from I'm not recovering from any injury, but I have like a 10-year-old injury. But I can still feel the flare up if I don't do my mobility protocols. This is my view. Chicken. I got a very funny message from someone that you and I only show photos and we don't really eat all our cheat meals. So I want to prove that we actually do eat